Araucaria's House by Alexandra Lima de Meneghel plus Rodrigo Vargas Souza in Rio Rufino, Brazil. An architecture for the cold of the mountains, for the temperate climate of the south, and an aesthetic of cold as a starting point. For the writer Italo Calvino, lightness, speed, exactitude, visibility, multiplicity, and consistency are the 6 propositions of virtues that literature can save. These propositions were also the guidelines that guided the conception of this project. An aerodynamic architecture placed with exactitude on top of a small hill in an Araucaria forest in Serra Catarinense. The residence is formed by 2 volumes with sloping roofs towards the center and joined by a central glassed and transparent void. The volumes divide the social and intimate spaces, and at their ends the glassed frames frame and highlight the landscape, in an invitation to contemplation. Wood is the protagonist of the project, together with black metal roofing, exposed concrete, and glass. The external closure is made of metal roofing with thermal insulation to isolate it from the cold, while the internal cladding is all wood. The floor is made of burnt cement in the social volume and wooden planks in the intimate volume. The east facade is all glassed and opens onto a large wooden platform, deck, with a ground fire, where it is possible to view a large valley. On the west facade, there are large openings that allow not only cross-ventilation between the volumes but also the use of passive solar heating, in the intimate volume. In the suite, there is a bathtub that has a view of the denser forest of the terrain. The heat-generating elements, fireplace, grill, and wood stove, are made of reinforced concrete. Inside the stove, there is a coil that heats the suite's water. The adopted construction system was the lightweight structural system of planted forest wood, light wood frame. The panel method was used for wall assembly, which brought more speed and caused less impact on the terrain.